The graduating students of the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria MAAUN has been charged to embrace diligence and perseverance as key ingredients for success after graduation. The charge was given by the US-based scholar Professor Hakeem Ibikunle Tijani of the Morgan State University, Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Professor Tijani delivered the charge while presenting the Pre-Commencement Lecture of the maiden convocation ceremony in the university. The lecture was held on Friday at the Professor Adamu Abubakar Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre, MAAUN Kano campus. The event attracted academics from various universities, vice-chancellors, as well as staff and students of the institution. The lecture was themed Leadership, Intellectualism and Transformation. Speaking during the lecture, Professor Tijani stressed that success in life requires personal responsibility and commitment. According to him, the future of the students lies in their own hands. He encouraged them to pursue excellence through diligence, resilience, and perseverance. At the event, Professor Tijani also unveiled a book. The book was later distributed to participants by the founder of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar. In his remarks, the chairman of the occasion and the vice-chancellor of Hansard University, Bayelsa State, Professor Sudhakar Kota, advised the students to be worthy ambassadors of their alma mater. He noted that MAAUN's growing global reputation should be upheld by its graduates. Also speaking, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, gave an overview of the university. He disclosed that the institution has no fewer than 5,000 students, with about 80% being female. Professor Israr thanked all guests for attending the lecture. He particularly appreciated Professor Tijani for delivering what he described as an impactful lecture. In his closing remarks, Professor Siddiq thanked the guest lecturer and the university management for the successful event. He urged the graduating students to apply the lessons learned and wished them success in their future endeavors.